Hi, my name's Nicole.
Hi, I'm Milani.
Hi, I'm Amber.
And we are water resource engineers. This year we had the opportunity to participate in writing a section of the Maryland State Infrastructure Report Card. With the American Society of Civil Engineers, every 4 years there is a National Infrastructure Report Card released. This one is the 2017 Infrastructure Report Card. And every 4 years, American Society of Civil Engineers provides a overall grade for the nation in terms of overall infrastructure and how we're doing. This report card is relied on by a lot of elected officials to make important decisions about funding and public policy within different states and as well as federally. And so the Maryland State Report Card has been a really interesting project to be able to participate in as we got to write the Stormwater Infrastructure Report Card section.
For this project, we worked in a team of 4. 3 of us are here right now, and we have 1 additional team member. And the first thing that we had to do is figure out how to take on this really large task and break it up into parts for ourselves. So our overall goal was to make sure that everyone on the project had a good sense of the state of stormwater infrastructure in Maryland overall. But then in order to really delve into the research, we had to break up our work into a bunch of different sections. So for instance, we had one person researching funding for stormwater infrastructure in Maryland and another person researching capacity and so on. And after breaking it down into these different sections, each person really delved into whatever their topic was. So for instance, I was working on the capacity section, and I had to try to find as much information as I could online about the capacity of stormwater infrastructure. And this was really a challenge because there's not one source of information that's out there to tell you all about the capacity or any other aspect of stormwater infrastructure. But after looking at a variety of different databases and articles and guides online, we were able to pack it all together into these different sections on stormwater in Maryland.
And so once we finished with all of that research, then it was trying to distill all of the facts that we found into very neat sections to be able to be printed in the report card. So we had to take a lot of the technical information and pull out the big gems that would stand out in the report card, saying the percentage that is active and amount of funding, and go from there to be able to give a grade for the overall state of Maryland stormwater, and also make sure that all the information was able to be read by everyone, not just engineers. So using language that wasn't too technical, but also still gave you the explanation of what was actually there. So we have that written. It will be published in March, hopefully, by Maryland ASCE. But we are still actually trying to pinpoint a grade on it right now. That is something that we get to decide, and that's still part of our discussion, but it will be chosen soon.